Oh, good hit. That's it. Yes!
There you go. That's two.
You got out of the park, Matt. You got it out of the park, Matt.
It wasn't out of the park.
It's out of the park.
It bounced off the fence.
There you go. Woo!
That's four.
Yes! Let it go. No.
That should be six.
6. Maddie's in the lead. That better count, Matt. Woo!
Good job, Maddie!
There you go, Maddie!
If they don't score that last one as a
do you
two,
have it on tape? You have it on tape?
I'll be pissed.
You have it on tape? You have it on tape, right?